Can AI actually pick better stocks than you, or is it just another marketing gimmick? I put $1,000 of my own money into Alinea to find out. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what I invested in, how the app works, what surprised me, and what I liked and did not like. But before you even think about connecting your bank account, here's one thing that I discovered during the sign up process that almost made me not want to sign up. So here's what happened. If you ever use Robinhood, Fidelity, or SoFi, Alinea is going to feel a little bit different. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out which stocks to buy, Alinea is built around an investment playlist. Think of them as a professional managed investment strategies that you can invest in with just a few taps. The idea immediately caught my attention because AI investing apps have become increasingly popular recently, and I wanted to see whether there was actually something different here, or if it was just mostly marketing. The only way I felt I could fairly answer that question was by putting my own money on the line. Getting started is really straightforward, and it only took a couple minutes to do so and to fund my account. One thing I noticed right away was how beginner-friendly everything felt. Nothing was overwhelming, and within only a couple of minutes, I already felt like I knew where everything was. And once my money hit my account, I decided to split into two different buckets for strategies. Instead of just putting all $1,000 into one investment, I wanted to compare how the two different approaches would perform over time. The first $500 went into Alinea's automatic investing feature, where the app manages your portfolio based on the strategy that you choose. Out of the 4 available portfolios, I ended up picking Opportunistic, which is the highest risk option, but also historically has the highest returns at around 14 to 16% annually. Now, I know these returns sound pretty impressive and almost too good to be true, if I'm being honest, but that's exactly why I wanted to test it with my own money instead of just talking about Alinea's word for it. It's also one of the most popular portfolios on the platform, with roughly 1/3 of the users choosing it. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more conservative, there are other portfolios that historically have lower returns while also taking on less risk. So regardless of your investing style, there's probably an option that fits what you're looking for. Now, for the other $500, I wanted to test Alinea's investment strategies, so I ended up putting $250 into the Claude strategy because I wanted some exposure to AI, and another $250 into the Hedge Fund strategy because I was curious how that approach would compare by simply just investing in S&P 500 over time. Right now, there are 9 different strategies to choose from, so you have several different investing themes depending on what interests you. And at this point, I thought everything was going pretty smoothly, but there was one thing during the sign-up process that definitely caught me off guard. I'll come back to it in a little bit because I think it's something everyone should know before signing up. Now let's talk about these strategies because this is really what makes Alinea different. And I'll be honest here, when I first heard the phrase investment playlists, I wasn't sure if this was just another marketing buzzword. But after spending some time inside the app, I actually started to understand why people like the idea. They're basically pre-built portfolios centered around different investing themes. So instead of researching dozens of companies yourself, you simply just choose the strategy you like and invest in it. When I opened one for the first time, the first thing I noticed was how easy everything was to understand. Right at the top, you get a quick summary explaining the overall strategy. You could also see the historical performance and compare it directly against S&P 500 to see how it performs over time. And then I noticed something I wasn't expecting. This was actually my favorite part of the app, and you could just tap on any stock inside the portfolio and just instantly see why it's included. It sounds so simple, but instead of just showing you a list of holdings, Alinea actually explains why each company is there. It also shows things like the stock's momentum, its overall risk level, and just a short explanation how it fits into the investing strategy. Now, the investment strategies are definitely the main attraction, but they're not the only thing the app offers. Beyond those, you still get everything you expect with a modern investing app. You can buy individual stocks, invest in crypto, purchase fractional shares, and even use the built-in AI assistants to ask investing questions or just to better understand your portfolio. Personally, I still think the strategies are the biggest reason someone would want to download Alinea, but it's also nice to have those other features there too. After spending some time using the app, here's a few things that really stood out to me. First, it's really easy to use. Now, I never found myself wondering where something was or how to do something. Everything just felt intuitive, and I actually found myself tapping through different strategies longer than I was expecting, just because I was curious how each one was put together. I also really liked how visual everything is. Instead of just staring at a bunch of charts and numbers, it's easy to compare different strategies, see how they're performing over time, and even compare them directly to the S&P 500. And honestly, that's probably one of my favorite things about the app. Rather than just encouraging you to invest, it actually helps you to understand what you're investing in. Whether that's through the AI explanations, the breakdown of each strategy, or showing each stock and why it's included. It feels like the app is trying to educate you instead of trying to simply get you to buy something. I think that's something a lot of other investing apps could actually do a better job of. However, if I did have one criticism before the pricing, I just wish there was more strategies to choose from. Now, the current lineup covers several popular investing themes, but I would just love to see Alinea continue expanding those options because I think that's what really makes the platform stand out. Now, as much as I like those features, there was still one thing that almost made me close the app and not even sign up. And that's something I think everyone should know before downloading. And that's the pricing and the cost to use the app. When I got to the final checkout screen, my first reaction was, wait, it's $120? And that's what made me really stop and think. Compare that to an annual cost of, say, one of my favorite S&P ETFs, VOO. I think VOO has such a low expense ratio that you roughly need around $400,000 invested before you're paying around $120 per year in fund expenses. Now, obviously, these are two completely different types of costs. VOO charges a fund expense ratio, which Alinea, on the other hand, is charging for AI tools, educational features, and investing platform. But I still think it is very useful to compare because it really puts that annual cost into perspective. For reference, Alinea costs $120 per year or $300 for a lifetime membership. Now, to be fair, if someone is regularly using the AI tools, following the investment strategies, and actually learning from everything the app offers, I can absolutely see how they could get $120 worth of value out of it. For me though, it's still probably the biggest thing you'll want to think about before actually signing up. Even after seeing the price, I still wanted to see if the app was actually worth it, so I decided to move forward and find out for myself. That's something I'll have a much better answer for after I use the app and test it out for several months. So who do I think Alinea is for? Honestly, I think there's three types of people who would get the most value out of it. First, if you're brand new to investing and don't really know where to start, I think this is one of the easier investment apps to learn. Second, if you're interested in AI investing but don't want to spend the hours researching individual stocks every week, I think Alinea offers a really nice job simplifying the process. And finally, if you're curious whether AI investing can actually outperform the market, I think it's worth testing with a portion of a portfolio rather than going all in. Now, if you're already comfortable just building your own portfolio and primarily invest in low index funds, I don't necessarily think Alinea is going to replace something like your Robinhood, Fidelity, or SoFi account. And personally, I see it as something that's going to complement my existing portfolios rather than just completely replace it. The majority of my own investments are still in low index funds, and that's not changing anytime soon. So what do I think after getting everything set up and invested with my first $1,000 in Alinea? Overall, I think the app has made a really strong first impression. The investing strategies are easily some of my favorite features. The app is simple to use, and I really like that it helps you understand why you're investing in certain companies instead of telling you just what to buy. It feels like they're trying to make you a better investor instead of simply just giving you another place to buy stocks. My biggest hesitation is still around the annual cost, and I would love to see Alinea continue adding more investment strategies because I think that's what really makes the difference in the platform unique. I came into this video with one question. Can AI actually pick better stocks than I can? Or is this simply just another marketing gimmick? After using Alinea, I think it's made a really strong first impression, and now I think the only question left is whether I can actually outperform the market. And that's exactly what I'm going to find out over the next several months. I'm going to keep this $1,000 invested, and if I get enough comments asking for it, I'll share an update video on the app. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, letting me know what investing app, AI investing platform, or just personal finance app you would like me to test next. I read every comment, and a lot of my videos actually come directly from your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy watching this video even more so. I'll see you over there.